How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing exercise 6.6. Okay, and in that exercise, we were doing the topic that is estimating the quotient. So this was the topic that we were doing in exercise 6.6. So in today's session, I am going to continue with the same exercise. So all of you open your books at page number 66, that is exercise 6.6. So I am just writing the topic here, that is chapter number 6, division, chapter number 6, division, exercise 6.6. So we have already done up to question number 8. So in today's session, I am going to start with question number 9. So the heading is find the estimated quotient for the following. This is the question. Find the estimated quotient. Find the estimated quotient for the following. So we have to find the estimated quotient for the given division sums. Okay, so we have to find the estimated quotient for the given division sums. But the thing is here that देखिए हमें estimation करनी है. So we have to find the estimated quotient. So that means we have to estimate the values of the dividend and the divisor as well. So that means we have to round it off. Okay. So up to question number 8 we have done. So now I am starting with question number 9. The question number 9 is 829 divided by 31. 829 divided by 31. So first of all we are going to round it off. So first of all we will round off the dividend, then we will round off the divisor. Okay, so rounding off, that is rounding of 829. So we will round off 829. So 829 को किसके nearest round off करेंगे? So we will round off 829 to the nearest. Okay, so we will round off 829 to the nearest 100. Why? Because in the question यहाँ पे हमारे पास estimation values नहीं दी गई हैं. So अब इसके nearest we have to round off. So we are going to round it off to the nearest to its highest place value of the given number. So here we are going to round it off to the highest place value of the given number. So as it is a 3-digit number. So this is a 3-digit number. So that means the highest place value is 8. Sorry, the highest place value is 100. Okay, so it's a 3-digit number. So highest place value is 100. So we are going to round off 829 to the nearest 100. So for rounding it off to the nearest 100, we are going to observe the digit that is at the tens place. Okay, so उससे छोटी वैल्यू जो आप digit को observe करेंगे. So at tens place we are having 2. So at tens place we are having 2 which is less than 5. So we are going to round it off to the previous 100. Okay. 829 will become 800. Previous 100 कौन सा हुआ? 800. The next number is 31. Rounding, that is rounding of 31. rounding off 31. So again we have to round it off to its highest place value. तो इसमें भी देखिए this is a 2-digit number. So the highest place value of a 2-digit number is always tens. So we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. So that means we are going to observe the digit that is at ones place, just smaller place value, that is 1. Okay, so at ones place इसको nearest tens round off करना है. So we will observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 1, so which is less than 5. So we are going to round it off to the previous tens. So 31 से पहले वाला tens कौन सा होगा? That is 30. The previous tens is 30. So we will round off 31 and it will become 30. So now we got the new dividend, estimated dividend and the divisor. That is 800 divided by 30. 800 divided by 30. So now again we will take this. Okay, तो देखिए इसमें we are having 2 zeros, here we are having 1 zero. So we will pick out the common zeros. So इसमें से 1 निकाल देंगे, इसमें से 1 निकाल देंगे, because इसमें 2 है, इसमें 1 है. So the thing that is common we will pick that out. जो कॉमन जीरोस होंगी, नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होंगे, हम उसको निकालेंगे. ओके, सो 1 यहाँ से 1 यहाँ से. सो नाउ वी विल राइट अ स्टेटमेंट टू सॉल्व दिस वी थिंक ऑफ 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. दोनों को 0 को निकाल दें, so it will become 80 and this will become 3. So to solve this we think of 80 divided by 3. So now let's divide 80 with 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 2, bring down 0. The number became 20. So 20 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18 minus this is 10, this is 1. 10 minus 8 2, 1 minus 1 0. So we don't have any other number in the dividend. The remainder is 2 and the quotient is 26. Okay, but in the quotient we have to find the estimated quotient only. So we are going to mention the quotient only. Okay, we will not mention the remainder. Okay, therefore estimated quotient is 26. Therefore estimated quotient is 26. So this is the solution of question number 9. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebook. So this is the estimated quotient, that is 26. Okay. Moving next to the question number 10. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 10. We will move to the next question, that is question number 10. So at 10th place, okay, the 10th question is 501 divided by 29. 501 divided by 29. 501 divided by 29. Again we have to find the estimated quotient. So that means we are going to round off, or we are going to estimate the dividend and the divisor. Okay, so first of all we are going to round off the dividend, then we will round off the divisor, and then we will find out the estimated quotient. Okay, so let's round off. Rounding of 501. Rounding off 501. So this is the number that is 501. So this is a 3-digit number, so that means the highest place value in this given number is 100. 3-digit number है तो highest place value क्या होगी? 100. Okay, so that means we have to round it off to the nearest 100. So we are going to round it off to the nearest 100. So we will observe that digit that is at tens place. So at tens place we are having 0. At tens place we are having 0 which is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous 100 and the number will become 500. So when we will round off 501 to the nearest 100, so the number will become 500. Next is rounding off 29. That is rounding off 29. So 29 is a 2-digit number. So we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. So 2-digit number है, so इसका highest place value क्या है? Tens. So we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. So we are rounding it off to the nearest tens. That means we will observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 9. At ones place we are having 9 which is greater than 5. So we will round it off to the next number. So 29, so the next tens. So 29 will round off to the next tens, that is 30. So after rounding off 501 we got 500. After rounding off 29 we got 30. Now we got the new dividend at the divisor, that is 500 divided by 30. 500 divided by 30. So again we will pick out the common zeros from the given dividend at the divisor. Here we are having 2 zeros, here we are having 1. So remove 1 from here, 1 from here. So we will just think about it. We will observe it. हम इसको सोचेंगे. We will not show it. We will just think of it that हमने इसकी दोनों zeros यहाँ से हटा दी. So what we will write? To solve this, we think to solve this we think of 50 divided by 3. To solve this we think of 50 divided by 3. दोनों में से 0 हटा दी. We will divide 50 with 3. So let's divide 50 with 3. Okay, so let's divide it. 3 ones are 3 minus 5 minus 3 2. Bring down 0. 3 6 are 18. Okay, this is 10. This is 1. 10 minus 8 2. 1 minus 1 0. Now we don't have any other number in the dividend. So that means 2 is the remainder and 16 is the quotient. Now this is the quotient 16. So what is this? This is an estimated quotient. 16 is an estimated quotient. So write down therefore estimated quotient. Therefore estimated quotient is 16. Therefore the estimated quotient is 16. So this is the solution of question number 10. Okay, so after rounding off 4 or 501 we got 500. After rounding off 29 we got 30. And after doing the division we got the dividend estimated, sorry, we got the quotient, estimated quotient, that is 16. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 10. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Again, moving next to the question number 11. So now we will move to the next question. question number is 11. The number is 697 divided by 34. 697 divided by 34. Again, first of all, we will round off. Rounding of 697. Rounding of 697. So 697 is a 3-digit number. So that means when we will round it off, we will round it off to the nearest 100. So 697 is a 3-digit number. So the highest place value is 100. So we will round it off to the nearest 100. So when we round off 697 to the nearest 100, okay, so what will be the number after rounding off? So when we will round it off, we will get 700. Okay, 100 place को round off करना है, so tens place पे we are having 9, which is greater than 5. So we will round it off to the next 100. That is 700. That is 700. Next is rounding of 34. Rounding of 34. So 34 is a 2-digit number. So that means we have to round it off to the nearest tens. So we will observe the digit at ones place. So at ones place we are having 4. So this 4 is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous tens. That is 30. Okay, so we will round it off to the previous tens, and this is 30. So now we got the new dividend and the divisor. So we will divide it. 700 divided by 30. 700 divided by 30. Again we will pick out the common numbers, that is common zeros. Okay, that is 1 0 from both the sides. So let's write the statement. To solve this, we think of 70 divided by 3. दोनों के एक 0 डाल, this will become 70, this will become 3. To solve this, we think of 70 divided by 3. So let's divide it. 70 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Bring down 0. The number became 10. So 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So the remainder we got after division is 1, whereas the quotient is 23. And the question we have to mention the estimated quotient only. So let's write down. Therefore, estimated quotient is, therefore estimated quotient is 23. Therefore estimated quotient is 23. So this is the solution of question number 11. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo. Moving next to the question number 12. So I am moving to the next question. That is question number 12. Okay. Question number is 12. The question number 12 is 538 divided by 82. 538 538 divided by 538 divided by 82. Okay, so for dividing this, first of all we have to round it off. Rounding of 538. Rounding of 538. Again, 538 is a 3-digit number, so that means we are going to round it off to the nearest 100. Okay, so let's round it off to the nearest 100. So for rounding it off to the nearest 100, we will observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 3. Sorry, nearest 100 we will observe this at tens place. So at tens place we are having 3, which is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous 100. So after rounding off 538 to the nearest 100, we will get 500. Next is rounding off 82. The next is rounding off 82. So 82 is a 2-digit number, so we are going to round it off to the nearest tens. So we will observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 2, so which is less than 5. So we are going to round it off to the nearest 10. So 2 is less than 5, so we will round it off to the to the previous tens. So previous tens, okay, so that means 80. So after rounding off 82, we will get 80. Now the next dividend of the divisor is 5 new is, that is 500 divided by 80. This is 500 divided by 80. Again we will pick out the common zeros from here. 1 from here, 1 from here. This will remain 50. This will become 8. So we will write the statement. To solve this, we think of 50 divided by 8. To solve this, we think of 50 divided by 8. So let's divide 50 with 8. 50 divided by 8. So 8 के टेबल में 50 या 50 से कम, ओके 7 8 56, सॉरी 8 5 40, 8 6 48, 8 6 48. This is 10, this is 4. 10 minus 8 2, 4 minus 4 0. No number in the dividend, so that means the remainder is 2, whereas the quotient is 6. So we have to write down the estimated quotient. So write down, therefore estimated quotient, estimated quotient is 6. Therefore the estimated quotient is 6. The remainder नहीं पूछा है, so we are not going to mention it. Okay, therefore the estimated quotient is 6. So this is the solution of question number 12. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 13. Now we are moving to the next question. Next is question number 13. Question number 13. Okay, so let's write down question number 13. The question number 13 is, 5,589 divided by 82. 5,589 divided by 82. So we have to divide. So first of all, we have to round off 5,589, and then we have to estimate 82. Okay. So 5,589, rounding off 5,589. So now in this sum, the highest place value. What is the highest place value in this sum? So the highest place value in this sum is, this is a 4-digit number. So the highest place value is 1000. So the highest place value in 5,589 is 1000. So we are going to round it off to the nearest 1000. So okay, so 1000 के nearest round off करेंगे. So that means we will observe the digit that is at hundreds place. So at hundreds place we are having 5, which is, देखिए 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा होता है. So we will round it off to the next number. So the next 1000. 5, this is 5, so we will round it off to the next 1000. So this will be 6,000. So 5,589, after rounding off it will become 6,000. Next, rounding off 82. Next is rounding off 82. So 82 is a 2-digit number, so the highest place value is tens. So we will round it off to the nearest tens. So that means we are going to observe the digit that is at ones place. So at ones place we are having 2, which is less than 5. So we will round it off to the previous tens. So when we round off 82 to the previous tens, this will become 80. This will become 80. So after rounding off 5,589, we got 6,000, and after rounding off 82, we got 80. So now the new dividend and the divisor is 6,000 divided by 80. 6,000 divided by 80. Now, अब देखिए इस सम में देखिए बेटा. So here we are having 3 zeros. Here we are having only 1 zero. So we will pick out only the common zero. So that means we will pick out 1 from here and 1 from here. Okay, divisor में हमारे पास एक ही है, चाहे हमारे पास dividend में 3 है. So we will pick out the common zeros. That means 1. So that means, so we will write the statement to solve this. To solve this, we think of 600. 6 में 60 निकालें, that will become 600. To solve this, we think of 600 divided by 8. 600 divided by 8. So let's divide 600 with 8. 600 divided by 8. Okay, so 8 sevens are 56. This is 10. This is 5. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down the next number, that is 0. The number is 40. So 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. 40 minus 40, nothing is left. So that means the remainder is 0, whereas the quotient is 75. So we have to find the estimated quotient. So mention it. Therefore, estimated quotient is, therefore estimated quotient is 75. Therefore the estimated quotient is 75. So this is the solution of question number 13 of exercise 6.6. Okay, just pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. And this was from my today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.